Hello, I'm Mike Adams and I'm Chief Executive of Purple. And in the final module of our e-tutorial on disabled customers and their experience, I wanted to just summarise and leave you with some really important high-level takeaways. Throughout this series, we have covered a number of topics that will help you as an organisation and your staff to have hints and tips in your back pocket as an aide-memoire as you go about ensuring that your disabled customers in the here and now and going forward get the best experience, best service that you can provide. So in terms of takeaways, I'd like to say the following. Rome was not built in a day, and your approach to disabled customers and revolutionising your experience will also not. But there are things in which your staff and you as an organisation can do, and making small changes will make a huge difference to the customer services provided and the customer experience for disabled people and their families. And we know from the evidence and research that a good experience creates brand loyalty from disabled people. And I know from my experience, and I'm sure you do, if you go into a shop or you go into a restaurant and you have a great experience, the chances is that you will go again. If you don't, the chances are that you won't go again. And not only will you not go again, but you'll also tell 10 of your friends about your experience that might put them off as well. And in terms of disability, inclusion, diversity, we are seeing a world, and I'm hoping as we come out of this crisis, will be reinforced even more, where the population now expect to see a commitment to diversity for the brands in which they invest in. And therefore, actually not addressing disability, not addressing the customer experience, not improving your customer service will actually not only lead to a drift from your disabled customers, but also, I suspect, from your non-disabled customers as well. And finally, as an organisation, making services more accessible. And if you listened to the introduction, we are talking in the UK about 22% of the population. Making your services more accessible makes business sense. And if it makes business sense, then it does what we as an organisation want to achieve in moving the dial for disabled people, because it by default drives the quality of service for disabled people and therefore their experience. And I very much hope for those of you who have seen all the modules, we have provided for you some handy hints and tips for you to take away and for you to apply in order that we can improve the overall customer experience for disabled people. Thank you.